Dear love, I wanted to ask a practical question about the workshop. Now, when our friend in our circle answered a question, the other 9 are working together internally for that friend to connect to the question in the right way, that he will have the right answer. Are we able to do it, or is it too early to demand from the Creator internally everyone together?
So they will answer correctly? We need to think about our mutual integration. It doesn't matter if we have right or wrong answers. It's not a test. You see, these are simply the conditions of our connection. We couldn't say totally wrong things or incorrect things. However, should we greatly try, by engage in it, to help one another and be together, then it will work. It will succeed.
So our work is to be together?
Yes.